Hello, hello. It's time to check out February's Cookie Badass box. This month we have a super cute floral Easter bunny set. If you take a look, isn't it adorable? Our featured artist this month is Dolores Sword of Sword Sugars. And seriously, let's take a look at this again and appreciate how amazing she did. Look at all these beautiful little details, the bunny, all the flowers and the butterfly, and seriously, that basket, seriously. Okay, so in this month's box, we have the adorable bunny cutter. We've got the plaque, the Happy Easter plaque that goes along with the set. And we've got that super cute Easter basket. Another thing I wanted to show you guys, if you double take a look at all my cutters, they are labeled. I used to put them on the outside here, but I think they come out a whole lot better when you put it right here, down inside the handle. It prints better, it's a lot clearer to see. So that is on all of my newer sets. In addition to the cutters in the set this time, you get a brush cleaner for all of your paint brushes. Okay, look a little better at it. See all the little details. It's super delicate and easy on your paint brushes. It won't mess up the bristles. So that's a great one, especially for your detail brushes. There is a floral stencil that comes in this month's pack. It is the hibiscus floral stencil. And then there's this adorable Easter towel. Every set got an Easter towel to go along into your kitchen for Easter, along with all of your sets. And then as for the downloads, you definitely get all of the artwork downloads for this month's set. And then you get the gift tags, the Happy Easter gift tags that go along with it, and all of these little piping templates for your icing. So take another look here. It's an adorable set. If you subscribe now, you can go back and get any of the previous sets if you missed out on this one. Just go to thecookiebadassbox.com.